Dear students, today we will discuss about different theories of acids and bases. The very first theory in this semester is the Franklin theory. It is also called as theory of solvent system. What is the definition of acid according to this theory? Acid is a substance which by dissociation in the solvent forms the same cation, this is very important, forms the same cation which solvent forms due to auto-ionization. Definition is very simple and it will be clarified by this example. Consider example NH4Cl is acid in liquid ammonia. Why it is so? Now we will apply this definition to this example. What will be the dissociation of NH4Cl? NH4Cl will give you NH4 plus cation plus Cl as an anion. And now consider the auto-ionization of ammonia. NH3 will react with itself, that is auto-ionization will give you NH4 plus NH2 minus. Now see here, in the dissociation of NH4Cl, NH4 plus is the cation and same cation is formed in the auto-ionization of ammonia, and hence NH4Cl is acid in liquid ammonia because it is forming the same cation which the solvent is forming due to auto-ionization. Now we will consider what is base. So what is the definition of a base? Base is a substance which by dissociation in the solvent forms the same anion. This is very important. Forms the same anion which solvent forms on auto-ionization. For example, sodamide, sodium NaNH2 is a base in liquid ammonia. Why? Because we will consider the dissociation of NaNH2. It will give Na plus as a cation and NH2 minus as an anion. Now again we will consider the auto-ionization of NH3, that will give you NH4 plus a cation and NH2 minus as an anion. Now see here again, the NH2 minus, that is anion, is formed in the dissociation of NaNH2, and in the auto-ionization of ammonia the same anion is formed. Therefore sodamide is a base in liquid ammonia. So this is the definition of acids and bases according to Franklin theory. It is also called as theory of solvent system.